In a stunning turn of events that's shaking both Wall Street and Motor City, tech titan Elon Musk has officially exited his controversial venture with Dodge. The announcement comes just months after what many call an unprecedented tech auto alliance, one that saw the Tesla CEO step into the heart of American muscle car tradition. So, why did Musk join Dodge in the first place? And what led to this dramatic exit? Buckle up, the ride is far from over. It was only late last year when Elon Musk stunted the auto industry by taking a leadership stake in Dodge under the umbrella of Stellantis. His mission? To electrify the American icon without compromising its gritty, roaring legacy. Imagine a Hellcat with a soul. Musk had quipped at the launch of Project Thunderbolt, Dodge's first electric muscle car concept. Musk was reportedly frustrated by Tesla's plateau in EV innovation and saw Dodge as a challenge and a symbol, a way to merge brute force with clean energy. But insiders say not everyone at Stellantis shared his vision. Sources close to the company say tensions boiled over during a heated board meeting earlier this month. Musk pushed for full autonomy in designing the next-gen Dodge Charger EV, including controversial AI-assisted engine modulations that Stellantis called experimental and brand eroding. It all came to a head this week when Musk tweeted without warning, "I'm done. Dodge deserves a future, but not with me chained to legacy thinkers." These are Elon Musk words. And shares in Stellantis dropped 12% overnight. And just hours after Musk's announcement, President Donald Trump weighed in at a campaign event in Detroit where Dodge was born. Elon's a smart guy. Too smart, but these globalists at Stellantis, they don't get America. Dodge isn't some European eco project. It's a beast. Let Elon build it his way or let it die with pride. It is said that these words, Trump's comments, are more than just sound bites. They are a rallying cry. Dodge, long a symbol of American muscle, is now a pawn in a broader culture war between tech futurism and old school nationalism. With Michigan a key swing state in the 2025 election, the fallout could have electoral consequences too. So what's next for Elon Musk? Some say he may revive an entirely new EV brand, one with no corporate strings. Others believe he's gearing up for a deeper play in AI automotive systems. One thing is clear, where Musk goes, shockwaves follow. And for Dodge, the brand stands at a crossroads, evolve or stay defiant. But with its most ambitious visionary now walking away, the future looks more uncertain than ever. Can American icons evolve without losing their soul? Or are we watching the death of muscle? For more updates, keep watching The Global Eye.